Every moment is precious, is that what life is to you? They tell me. Every motive intentions, is that what you do? They're singing the same old shit. They're singing, trying to see where you fit. What's your motive, intentional for the omen of death? So what you holding, evaporation and knowing your breath? How you control it, we hear it when you ain't on it. An inspirational moment in depth, left for the hopeless. And yes, I know you wanted a perfect world, but we lead to the kids. What you read to women, teach them every day that we live. Is it bullshit and knowledge when they see where they live? Every choice affects the future, just believe they can win. Is it in you? Confusion of but still true. You looking through the looking glass, the hours passing, fucking with you. Every second counts, development of every ounce of blood in your system. Are you ready for your mission? No doubt, or doubt surrounds you. The heaven ain't who bounds you. The deliverance from the evil Lord, they got she found you. We march into the sound true, we all die. And the separation leaving you breathless, even a strong cry. Now are you down to ride or living it for the dollar signs? You should have thought about it, inspiration's always live and direct from the city where we already high. Thanks to the woo, we bring it to you, revolutionize. Quoting every moment is affected, fuck a dollar sign. It's about the lives affected when you tell no lies. See it with your own eyes, that's how you save your life. Everybody has a story if you wanna save your time. Believe it when you feel the truth. If you see it every moment, love is with you. Every day, every night, every moment, I believe in you. If you see what is right, you would only wanna speak the truth.
The world slowly turned like a blunt that slowly burned. Overdosed on knowledge, but enough I'll never learn. Gotta get it when I'm in it, no losing, just winning. I try to live right, not blinded by those sinning. That style of life that they living in got them facing the dividend. Revved up with adrenaline, haters mad, I belittle them, they middlemen. Acting adolescent like little kids. Show respect to get respect, that's how it is. Living in the world today, every moment's another breath you take. So for a second, don't wait, just live your life, it's great. Be a monster to conquer, breaking down all hell's gates. I got no time to be fake, I'm on the grind to shine. I'm not walking no plane, I'm the captain, I operate this tank. Destroying anything in its way, of course I pray. Death's after me, so here I stay and remain. So just let the music take you away, cause I'm driven with power, only given an hour to devour. Give me the sweet virgin beat so I can deflower. I crush weak MCs like cowards, destined for doom. I'm top secret like the dark side of the moon. I shine like the nebula gloom, absorbing all light like a black hole in the room. In life you never knowing where you go, so follow your road or lose control. The world's bitter and cold, ready to collect souls, you know. Best to be destined for where you go.
Believe it when you feel the truth. If you see it every moment, love is with you. Every day, every night, every moment, I believe in you. If you see what is right, you would only wanna speak the truth.
Yo, the man in the iron mask, coming out swinging with metal boxing gloves to keep your heads ringing. Half man, half metal, like that strobe coming down with more heat in your face than Magneto. I battle cats digitally on iPods. Fuck you analog, nigga, hit you eyes in stereo. I'm an Asian version of Darth Vader with the Chinese Death Star, eat your ass an hour later. I'm a Sega Genesis causing lung damage, bacteria causing serious illness. Not religious, like a voodoo priest underneath, coming down like the iron sheet. Who got beef? No compete. Coming down when I slice your ass like filet mignon beef. I'm like Shadow Storm versus Snake Eyes. Coming down with 2 fingers, take out your eyes. Snake bite, poisonous rattlesnake on the loose. A scorpion with vampire fangs ready to shoot. My mathematical equation calls home invasion, annihilation, and cause skin's penetration. Put a nail in your coffin, often with a hole in your head like Flipper the dolphin. Murder MCs with laser beams like Starscream. Heat-seeking missiles from my war machines.
Every moment is precious, is that what life is to you? They tell me. Every motive intentions, is that what you do? They're singing the same old shit. They're singing, trying to see where you fit.
Yeah, Eternal West Coast Killer Bees 4914 Anonymous Oblique. Yeah, we out of here, son. Peace.